Animal facts. Here are some crazy animal facts that we bet you won't believe. A domestic cat can outrun Usain Bolt. That's over 45 kilometers per hour. Did you know that happy dogs wag their tails to the right, sad ones to the left? The praying mantis has an ear between its legs. A giraffe can lick inside its own ears. That's a long tongue. Squirrels kiss to identify each other. Maybe we should start doing this? A group of rattlesnakes is called a Roomba. Elephants can't jump. How about that? Wombat droppings are cubed shaped, so they won't roll away. Hippos use their sweat as sunscreen. They also don't get cancer. A moose can feel a fly landing on its antlers. Turn a shark on its back and it goes into a trance. How about that? Male lions sleep for 20 hours a day. No need for power naps. The common octopus has blue blood. Yes, royal blood. Did you know that each cub in a litter can have a different father? What other animal facts do you know that are surprising? Share and let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. The end.